Let's take a look at how to use the SQL between condition. The SQL between condition allows for you to easily test if an expression is within a range of values and it is inclusive. Therefore, if you were to supply a range going from 50 to 500, what it will do is it will include the records that have 50 as well as the records that have 500. With between condition being a comparison operator, it is utilized in the where clause. So let's take a look at this in practice. So today we'll be working from our products table, so let's just do a select statement on that. We have 256 records in this table in 5 columns. If we're interested in seeing the safety stock level between 1 and 100, what we would do is start off by utilizing our where clause and then supplying the information we're interested in. So where safety stock level is between one and 100. So let's execute this, and as you can see, it returns all the information for safety stock level between 1 and 100. So there are only 2 values, but as you can see, it included 100 in the results it returned. Let's take another example. Let's expand it. So let's say we are interested in seeing from 1 to 1000. We're going to execute this. Now we're seeing where records that are greater than 100 is now included. So you have 500, 800, 1000 in the result set. So the between condition is really just saying we are interested in finding out the information from one value to another value, and you'd be utilizing the keyword between as well as and. So it will always be in the where clause, the column that you're interested in looking for the information from. Then you'd submit the between keyword, the starting value of interest, and then you'd provide it with the and keyword and then the ending value of interest, and it will return the information. So let's try out this on the reorder point column. So I'm just going to copy this statement so we don't have to rewrite, and I will update it. So we are interested in the reorder point, so we will change this column information to say reorder point, and we are interested in records that are between 50 to 600 to 700. So let's execute this and see what will be returned. So if you notice now, the records for the reorder point, it's all between 50 and 700. So we have 350, 600, 75. So it will return the information that is starting at 50 and ending at 700. So even though the between may seem as though it will not include the starting and ending value, in SQL the between is inclusive. Therefore it will always include the records that match the first value submitted as well as the last value submitted.